Good morning children, welcome to your science class. Okay, today the session is 8 and we are reading second lesson. Yes, the second lesson is animals, their lifestyles. Last class, okay, you have read few new terms. Yes or no? Yes. What are these few new terms? Habitat, blubber, hibernation, migration. What is habitat? Where the animals are living. The place where animals are living is called habitat. Now, blubber in polar regions, in cool places, animals have thick fat layer under their skin. That is called blubber. Now, hibernation. In the cool places, same in the polar regions, like polar bear, okay, to escape that cool climate, they'll go into deep sleep, that complete winter, okay. That is called hibernation. What is migration? Birds, okay, when it is too cool or too warm in any place, they will move to another place where it is little bit cooler or little bit warmer. Birds moving from one place to another place, that is called migration. Okay. Now, last last class I also explained, okay, about the deserts, forest, polar region. Yes. Now we will be reading about oceans. Ocean means having many oceans. Pacific Ocean. Yes or no? Which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay, we are near to that, no? Near to us, Pacific Ocean is. Now, oceans contain like from small organisms to big living animals. Okay, like whales, starfish, octopus, crabs, seahorse. Okay, they live in these oceans, big water bodies, big animals from small to big, all types of fishes. Okay, they live in oceans. Okay, see in your book, page number 191. See, starfish, whale, shark. Shark, you know, no? Octopus. Why it is called octopus? It has 8 some muscle type structures. With that, it will move. Octopus, shark, starfish, whales. Okay, small fish, big fish, many will be there in the oceans. Okay, oceans are their habitat, their house. Okay, now wetlands. Wetlands, oceans is finished. Wetlands means shallow water bodies. What are shallow water bodies? Rivers, lakes, small ponds. Okay, edges of the lakes, edges of the rivers. Okay, there what you see mostly, they are the very good view for us. We go and visit no riverside, pond side, we will go no for beaches and all. Yes or no? Okay, they are very shallow water bodies. Remember this ma, ocean, wetland difference. Okay, here what can you see? Small fishes. Okay, and some ducks, cranes, they'll be catching fishes. Yes or no? Some mammals, amphibians. Okay, amphibians. Amphibians means what? You have to know this. Amphibian means animal which will live both in water and land. Which can live in water and land. We can live in water? No, we will live on land. Fish can live in water. But there is some animals which can live in water and also on the land. They are called amphibians, which can live both on land and water. They are called amphibians. Example, frog, tortoise, tamelu. It will swim in water. It will also live on the land. Crocodile. It can live in water and it will come outside also. Yes or no? They can live both on land and water. Can we live? No. Can fish live? No. These animals are called amphibians. Okay, all the crabs. Okay, you see this picture. kingfisher comes to eat fish, ducks, heron, crane, all these birds, few different birds which feed on fish. They live near to the edges of these lakes, rivers, okay? And few microorganisms like algae, green color patch. Yes, that is algae. It is a microscopic animal. Some fishes, okay? They live in this wetlands, no mountains. Mountains means what type of animals will live? Some type of cheetah. Tiger can climb? No. Cheetahs can climb trees? No. Some type of cheetah, some types of leopard. Okay. Some types of leopard. Okay. Some goats. Konda mekalu. Okay. Konda chirkalu. And eagle. Where do you see eagle? Very high. Can you see here and there? No. It will fly high in the sky. Yes. Eagles will fly high in the sky. Okay. These animals, leopard, mountain sheep. Okay. Eagle, they live in the mountains. Okay. Now, animals, you are wearing clothes now. Animals don't wear clothes, but they have a clothing type on their body. Okay. Different animals have different. Fish is having scales. Birds are having feathers. Okay. Animals, dog is having fur. Okay. We will read about that. Animal coverings. Animal covering means on the body of the animal they have some covering. Yes or no? When you touch a bird, when you touch a dog, you see a fish, they all are same? No, they have different covering on their bodies. Why? To protect themselves from that surrounding, from enemies. Enemies means birds. What will happen to birds? Some other big bird will come to catch it. Okay. And fishes. Okay. When any animal comes and bites, the scales will protect. Sometimes, not all the times. Okay. Fur. Scales. Shell. Feathers. Fur. Fur means, see, dogs, cats, they are having fur. Thread-like structure is there, no? See, bear, squirrels. See in your textbook. See, dog, cat, bear, squirrels, they are having fur on their body. That is fur. Okay, that is fur. The hairy structure on their body present now, that is called fur. It will protect from the surroundings. Okay, and also, okay, bear. How will be the bear? Sometimes you can't find it. It will be the color of its fur and the land will be same. You can't identify. By this it will escape from another animals. Okay. In this way also fur is useful. Even squirrels also. It will be in the color of mud. Okay. You can't identify suddenly. By this it can escape from its enemies. Now, scales. Examples, dog, cat. Okay. Scales. Scales means fish is having scales. When your father brings fish, he will rub now. All round structures will come like this. Yes, they are called scales. Your father will bring fish. On that you will see round structures. Thin, transparent, thin round structures. No? They are called scales. Okay. They are present on reptiles. fishes. They are present on reptiles and fishes. What are reptiles? Which will crawl on the sand, which will crawl on the soil. అంటే పాకడం, నేల మీద పాకుంటూ వెళ్తాయి reptiles. Okay, reptiles నేల మీద పాకుంటూ వెళ్తాయి. What are they? Snakes, crocodiles and lizard. Lizard will crawl now. Lizards, some types of callipops, lizards, crocodiles, snakes, fishes. They all have scales. Why they are having scales? You see. Okay, these scales protect these animals. When another animal will come and bite, no, these scales will be very hard. Okay, it will not allow it to bite. It will be very hard so that it can escape. And also scales will protect the skin present. Okay, skin is present now under the scales. It will protect. Scales will protect the skin of the animal. And it will see, mostly these animals, scale animals, are reptiles and fishes. They will live in water now. Okay, their body should be maintained always moist. Moist means tadi. Okay, their body should be always moist, means tadi. To maintain this moisture also, these scales will help. These scales will help in maintaining moisture, and when another animal comes and bite, it will be very hard so that it cannot allow. And it also protects the skin underneath the scales. Okay, 3 points. Shell. What are the shell animals? Snail. Shell means, see, this type. See in your book, these type of animals. Shell. Alchippa. Shell means alchippa. Alchippa. Okay, small animals are there with the shells. Snail, natta, crab, endrakicha, and this one oyster, pearl oysters are there, no? Tortoise have a nice shell on its body, yes. When enemy comes, it will enter into it, and enemy can't catch it and eat it. What is this shell doing? Protecting the animal from the enemy. Okay, these shells, okay, these animals, see. Snail, tortoise, what will the shell, how it is helping when the animal comes to eat no enemy? These animals will close into that shell, and other animal will not be able to eat. By this it is getting escaped, and the shells protect them. Now feathers. Crabs, snails. Feathers. Birds. Who is having feathers? Feathers means rekkalu. Feathers means rekkalu. Who is having feathers? Birds. Birds are having feathers. Feathers are useful for the bird? Yes. Feathers are not there, it can't fly. These feathers will help the bird to keep its body warm when it is cool. When the climate is cool now, these feathers will help to keep the body warm. When the climate is hot, these feathers will help the body to maintain little bit cool. Okay, both the ways these feathers will help. And even to fly also, these feathers will help. And they are very strong, flexible. Flexible means they can move in any side. Okay, feathers are strong, they can move in any side. Okay. And these feathers have also some sensitivity. When enemies comes, it will sense. Okay. See the birds. You know birds like parrot, pigeon, peacock. They all have feathers. Feathers will help. Okay. To maintain its body temperature. Okay. To maintain its body temperature and to fly and to escape from enemies also. Okay. Now we have to know fur means immediately dog, cat should come. Scales. Okay, scales, reptiles, fishes. Shell, crabs, snails. Feathers, birds. Birds means all you know. Okay, you have to know for each one at least 2 examples you have to know. And your homework is I'll wrap this. You have to write 2 examples of each of these. Okay. What I wrote you should not write. You should write new examples. Fur. Who is having fur? Homework. This is your homework. You have to write examples. Okay. Example 1 and 2. For everything. This is your homework. Your own example. You have to give 2 examples of each. Homework. Okay. Animal coverings. Fur, scale, shell, feathers. Okay. Fur, which animal is having 2 examples. Scales, shell, feathers. Okay. This is your homework. Okay children. Thank you.